Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the nugget earrings and checking for loose stones, bent posts, or fragile settings. This prevents damage while cleaning. Combine warm water with 1 to 2 drops of mild dish soap in a small bowl. The warm water lifts oils, while the soap breaks surface grime without harming metals. Once mixed, submerge the earrings and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes so dirt softens and detritus detaches from crevices. Make sure to keep backs secured nearby. After soaking, you work methodically with a soft bristled toothbrush to dislodge remaining grime from nugget textures and settings. Gentle strokes prevent scratching. For stubborn bits in tight holes, use a toothpick or an interdental brush. Use light pressure and angle the tool to avoid bending posts. Once debris is loosened, rinse each earring under a gentle stream of warm water to wash away residue. Make sure to hold them over a strainer or closed sink so nothing falls away. Pat them lightly to remove excess water. You finish by patting the earrings dry with a clean microfiber cloth, then let them air dry completely on a soft towel to avoid trapped moisture. Full dryness prevents corrosion. For non-porous metals, wipe gently with 70% isopropyl alcohol to disinfect and remove oils, then buff with the microfiber for shine. If tarnish remains or a stone feels loose, stop home cleaning and take the earrings to a jeweler. Professional attention prevents permanent damage and secures settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.